Causes of paw licking in dogs. While it's normal for dogs to groom their paws every now and then, too much licking is often indicative of an underlying problem. Don't let your dog's paw licking get out of hand. Sometimes it can become an addictive habit that is difficult to eradicate. In this video, we will be looking at several reasons dogs may lick their paws. Pain. If your dog suddenly starts licking his paws, this can be indicative of pain, especially if your dog is licking only one paw. When the licking is limited to one paw, then this often suggests that the source of trouble is right there on the paw. The pain in that area can be caused by anything, such as wounds, insect bites, a thorn, a piece of embedded glass, a broken nail, etc. If you do not see anything, don't just ignore it. Take your dog to the vet for further evaluation. Sometimes there may be something going on at a deeper level, such as a muscle sprain or some type of inflammation or fracture, especially if the licking is accompanied by limping. Allergies. Chronic paw licking is often attributed to allergies that can be caused by food, the chemicals in the yard, carpet cleaning products, weeds, and so much more. For example, if your dog is licking his paws after walking, then the itching is likely caused by pesticides found in the grass or by the grass and weeds themselves. Clean your dog's feet with a wet wipe after going for a walk to prevent further irritation. Finding the real cause of the itchiness can be a frustrating ordeal. It may take some investigative work to figure out what your dog is allergic to. Your veterinarian may put your dog on a food trial if food allergies are suspected. Left untreated, excessive paw licking and chewing may cause scrapes and opportunistic yeast infections to set in. Boredom. Modern times have created an environment of boredom for dogs. Once used to walking and hunting for up to 10 hours a day, dogs today are often left at home in a small yard or worse, in a crate for many hours a day. High-energy dogs may become frustrated and often engage in destructive activities that may include excess licking and chewing of the paws. Anxiety. Anxious dogs often try to find relief by licking themselves excessively. The causes of such anxiety may vary and range from separation anxiety to obsessive-compulsive disorders. In this way, paw licking or chewing is similar to human nail biting. If the licking becomes compulsive and excessive, dogs may lick themselves raw and develop unsightly ulcers, often referred to as lick granulomas. It is still not completely understood whether lick granulomas are triggered by anxiety or if they are the cause of anxiety. It's a sort of chicken or egg scenario. Hormonal imbalances. When a dog has a hormonal imbalance, he either produces too much cortisol, otherwise known as Cushing's disease, or doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone, hypothyroidism, which causes red spots, balding, and brittle hair. Licking these irritated red spots or bald patches can lead to secondary infections. A thyroid test can rule hormonal imbalances out. Presence of parasites. Fleas can cause severe itchiness that can lead to compulsive paw licking and chewing. In most cases, though, dogs will also lick and scratch other areas of the body. The condition can get even worse if your dog is allergic to fleas. Demodex mites are other pesky parasites known to cause annoying infections in a dog's feet. Presence of mites can be ruled out by having a deep skin scraping done by your vet. Other causes for foot inflammation and licking in dogs include hookworm infestations and pelodera infestations. Walking on snow. If your dog only licks his paws during the winter, then the cause may be de-icing salts. The salts used to melt ice on driveways and roads can lead to irritation and chemical burns on your dog's feet. Avoid areas that are sprayed with de-icing products or give your pet boots to wear when going outside during the winter. You should also keep a bowl of warm water and a towel near the door so you can wash off your pup's feet and prevent him from ingesting the toxic salts. Ice balls can sometimes form between the hairy toes when snow gets caught in the fur. It can lead to cracking, bleeding, and irritation. Keep hair between your dog's toes trimmed short during the winter. Other possible causes. Dogs may also lick their paws due to several other possible conditions, such as autoimmune disorders, a foreign body embedded inside the foot pad, and in some cases, even cancers such as melanomas, squamous cell carcinomas, and mast cell tumors. Sometimes a real cause is never found despite extensive testings, and vets refer to these cases as idiopathic.